When you feel like giving up, don't. When you thinking about giving up, don't. When it look like you ain't gonna make it, keep going. When they tell you you can't, come on, man, who are they? When they tell you you're not gonna make it, don't believe them, man. Don't believe them. You got to be relentless.
Don't give up. Don't give up. Stay in it. Stay focused.
Ooh, it's your boy Hooked on Kermit. Just got a good, nice 18-pounder, y'all. Nice 18-pounder, 30 inches. Ew, let's go. Yes, sir. Get your release. Again, it's your boy Hooked on Kermit. Nice 18-pounders. Let's go. I said in my post I was going to catch a big boy this month. That's exactly what happened, y'all. Let's get it.